Origin of Palayam. Vijayanagar rulers appointed Nayaks. Nayaks appointed Palayakarar. Vishwanatha instituted Palayakarar system in 1529. Whole country was divided into 72 palayams and each one under a Palayakarar. Palayakarars collected taxes. Yearly revolts of South India. Revolt of the Palayakaras. Eastern Bloc. Nayaks ruled under the control of Kattabomman. Western Bloc. Maravas ruled under the control of Pulidevar. Pulidevar, Palayakarar of Nirkattum Seval, first to protest against the British in India, refused to pay the tribute during his tenure, started opposing Muhammad Ali, Nawab of Farkad and the English, first Indian king to fought and defeated the British. 1759 forces of Nawab of Farkad attacked Nirkattum Seval and defeated Pulidevar. 1764 recaptured Nirkattum Seval. 1767 defeated Veerapandiya Kattabomman ruled Veerapandiyapuram with Panjalankurchi as capital. 1798 Colin Jackson wrote letters to Kattabomman asking him to pay the tribute arrears. He informed about famine in his country. 1798 Kattabomman and his minister Sivasubramaniam met the collector. The collector insulted him and wanted to arrest them. Suddenly Umadurai, Kattabomman's brother, entered the fort and helped their escape. But unfortunately Sivasubramaniam was taken as prisoner. Kattabomman and Edward Clive. He wrote about the behavior of the collector to Madras Council. Edward Clive, governor, ordered Kattabomman to surrender and directed him to appear before the committee and found he was not guilty. Edward Clive dismissed the collector for his misbehavior. The Confederacy of Palayakaras. Marudhu Pandian of Sivaganga formed the South Indian Confederacy of rebels against the British. Kattabomman was interested towards the Confederacy. Company ordered the army to march to Panjalankurchi. Fall of Panjalankurchi. 5th September, Major Bannerman moved his army. They cut off all communication to the fort and Sivasubramaniam was taken as a prisoner. Raja of Pudukkottai captured Kattabomman from the jungles of Kalapur and handed him to Sivasubramaniam was executed at Nagalapuram. 17th October 1799, Kattabomman was hanged at the fort of Kayathar. Velu Nachiyar, Queen of Sivaganga, married Muttuvadaganadar, Raja of Sivaganga at age 16. 1772, Nawab of Farkad and the British troops invaded Sivaganga and killed Muttuvadaganadar. Velu Nachiyar escaped with her daughter and lived under the protection of Gopala Nayakar. During this period, she organized an army and agents and arranged a suicide attack by Koili. She recaptured Sivagangai with the help of Marudhu brothers and crowned as a queen again, also known as Veeramangai, Jhansi Rani. South India. Marudhu brothers, sons of Mukaiya, Palaniyappan and Ponnathala. Elder brother Periya Marudhu, Vella Marudhu. Younger brother Chinna Marudhu, Marudhu Pandian. He served under Muttuvadaganada Periya Udaya Devara. In 1772, Nawab of Farkad captured Sivagangai and Muttuvadaganada died in the battle. After few months, Sivagangai was recaptured by Marudhu brothers. Due to terrorist activities against the British, Chinna Marudhu was also called as Lion of Sivaganga. Causes for the conflict. Marudhu Pandya gave protection to Umadurai and others after Kattabomman was hanged to death. The company interfered in the internal politics of the merchant of Sivaganga. The South Indian Rebellion 1800 to 1801. Kattabomman's brothers reconstructed their fort at Panjalankurchi. The British troops retook the fort in April and the Palayakara brothers sought shelter in Sivaganga. The British demanded Marudhu Pandya to hand over the escapes but he refused. Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes marched against them. The Palayakara Confederacy, Marudhu Pandya, Gopala Nayak of Kerala, Verma of Malabar, Krishnappa Nayak and Tondaji of Mysore. The English declared war against the Confederacy. Dhiran Chinnamalai, born at Melapalayam near Erode, Palayakarar of Kongu country, Salem, Coimbatore, Karur and Dindigul. After the third and fourth Mysore was, entire Kongu region was passed into the hands of the English. Dhiran Chinnamalai was trained by French military in modern warfare. Along with Tipu Sultan, he fought against the British and got victories. After Tipu Sultan's death, Chinnamalai settled down at Odanile and constructed a fort, sought the help of Marathas and Marudu Pandiyar. Chinnamalai's army was defeated. Chinnamalai defeated the British in the Battle of Kaveri, Odanile and Arachalur. During that final battle, Chinnamalai was betrayed by his cook Nallappan and was hanged in Sankagiri Fort in 1805. Vellore Revolt 1806. After 4th Mysore War, family members of Tipu Sultan was imprisoned. The Vellore fort consisted majorly of Indian troops. Many of the trained soldiers were admitted into British Army. Vellore fort meeting ground of the rebel forces of South India. 1803. William Cavendish Bentinck became the governor of Madras and certain military regulations were introduced. Causes: strict discipline, new weapons, new methods and uniforms. They were asked to shave the beard and trim the moustache. Religious marks and earrings were banned. Racial prejudice. Immediate cause: introduction of new turban. Effects of the revolt: new methods and uniform regulations were withdrawn. Causes for failure of the revolt: no proper leadership and not well organized. The revolt of 1857. Causes: the peasants suffered high revenue due to strict revenue policy. Policies of doctrine of love, subsidiary alliance, the conversion activities of Christian missionaries, abolition of sati, female infanticide and support to widow remarriage and female education was considered as interference. Indian soldiers were treated as inferiors and paid much. Immediate cause: introduction of new Enfield rifles. Top of the cartridge was to be removed by mouth before loading. The cartridge or greased by fat of pig and cow. The soldiers determined to refuse the service. Outbreak of the revolt. March 29, 1857. Mangal Pandey at Barakpur refused to use the greased cartridge. He shot down his sergeant. He was arrested and executed. This news spread. Many sepoys revolted. In central India, revolt was guided by Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. She was the best and bravest among the leaders. Consequences of the revolt. Changes in the administration and policy of the government. The administration of India transformed. The Governor General was given the title Viceroy. The Board of Directors and Control were replaced. Indian Army was thoroughly reorganized. British military policy dominated by divide and counterpoise. Place of revolt. Indian leaders, British officials who suppressed the revolt. Delhi: Bahadur Shah II, John Nicholson. Lucknow: Begum Hazrat Mahal, Henry Lawrence. Kanpur: Nana Sahib, Sir Colin Campbell. Jhansi and Gwalior: Lakshmi Bai, Tantia Topa, General Hugh Ross. Bareilly: Bahadur Khan, Sir Colin Campbell. Bihar: Kunwar Singh, William Taylor. Causes for the failure of the revolt: lack of organization, discipline, centralized leadership, modern weapons. Rebel leaders were no match to the British generals. Non-participation of Bengal, Bombay, Madras, Western Punjab and Rajputana. Modern educated Indians believed only British rule could reform Indian society. The British managed to get the loyalty of Sikhs, Afghans and Gurkha regiments. The British had better weapons, generals and organization. Summary: Vijayanagar rulers appointed Nayaks. Nayaks appointed Palayakarar. The English got the right to collect taxes. Collection of taxes resulted in rivalry. BYW, the English and Kattabomman. Dhiran Chinnamalai was trained by French military. Tantier took fought against the British. Rani Lakshmi Bai was bravest and best among the leaders of the revolt. Thank you.